Varakashi draw fire for mocking citizens' struggles. The 18th of August 2025, by a correspondent, ZANU-PF-aligned online activists, commonly known as Varakashi, have sparked outrage after appearing to celebrate the suffering of ordinary Zimbabweans while mocking critics of the ruling party. Over the weekend, a statement posted on the Friends of Emerson Mnangagwa official Facebook page dismissed any prospects of regime change, insisting that ZANU-PF would remain in power indefinitely. The greatest mistake anyone can make is thinking ZANU-PF can be voted out. ZANU-PF is a big machine that always works and remains with the people. Its leadership understands its mission, and that mission is to serve Zimbabweans, read part of the post. The remarks have provoked anger from government critics, who argue that celebrating citizens' hardships reflects insensitivity at a time when many are struggling with worsening economic challenges. Political analysts say the statement highlights the widening disconnect between the ruling elite and ordinary citizens battling the rising cost of living.